How to add a link to a Facebook story. In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool trick that will allow you to add links to your stories on Facebook. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So if you're creating a story on Facebook, there currently is no way to add a link. So in order for us to have a story on Facebook that has a link, we need to use Instagram. So we're going to first link our Instagram account to our Facebook account, then create the story with a link on Instagram, and it'll automatically post to our Facebook profile. So to get started, we need to open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone, and we need to link our Instagram account to our Facebook account. We can easily do that by selecting our profile icon in the bottom menu of Instagram, then select the three lines in the top right to open up the menu, and then select Settings and Privacy. Once we're in the settings, select Account Center at the top, and then in Account Center, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Accounts. Now, if you already see your Facebook profile here, you're ready, you're set up. But if you don't select Add Accounts, then Add Facebook Account, and then it might automatically find your Facebook account. So you would just need to select Continue. But if not, select Not You or log into your Facebook account to connect it. So I'm going to select Continue, and then I'll select Yes, Finish Adding. All right, so once it's done, it'll bring you back to the accounts here, and you should see your Facebook account. That means we're ready to go. We can now go back to Instagram and just select your story. I'll just create a quick story here, go to camera, and to add a link to our story, all we need to do is select the text in the left menu and then select the sticker icon at the top. Now in here, select link, enter the link that you want to add, and then select done. So now as you can see, we have a link here. Now I just need to select your story at the bottom to post it. So now that I posted the story on Instagram, open up your story on Instagram and then select Facebook in the bottom menu, select share stories. And now when I open up Facebook and refresh, you can see there's the story and it has a link that I can visit and that'll open up my blog. All right, so that's how you add a link to a Facebook story. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.